You have an appointment for this office. This is the job site office. Some people have trailers they pull up on the job.
Right.
We don't waste money on that crap. Besides, I like being down here in the action.
Right.
Now he's got boards stacked up on him.
Yeah, I got blocks.
You got a hammer?
You need some fat boy leverage. Oh, good Lord, even I can't budget.
That's because that fucking motor. Want to cut all the way through right here or something? 1, 2, 3. See?
Good shot.
Yeah, that rebar right there. That's it.
That's what I was telling my son. I saw sparks coming out right about there. Looks pretty good. So what kind of saw is that?
That's a chainsaw.
I know it's a chainsaw, but I mean...
That's what it's called.
What's that? How much does the blade cost?
$1,000.
$800.
$800 for the blade?
$1,000.
$1,000?
Bro.
How many cuts like that can you make with that blade?
About 20 chainsaw.
20?
Yeah, at least 20.
Quick, Paco, take it to the van.
Hello, people.
Light on it.